Ever wondered how those captivating animations you see on YouTube are made? You can make videos like that too, and even better. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create awesome videos step by step. Stick around till the end, so you don't miss out on any important tips. Let's dive in. Step 1. Script generation. First things first, let's tap into the power of ChatGPT. Today, we're diving deep into the mesmerizing world of sea animals. Let's fire up ChatGPT and ask it to whip up a script for us. How about something like this? Create an engaging animation featuring a charismatic shark introducing his brother, another shark, to the audience. Together, they warmly welcome their friends, the octopus and the dolphin, to join them. Each character takes a moment to share a few sentences about themselves and their life in the vast ocean. Let their personalities shine as they talk about their underwater adventures, friendships, and the wonders of living beneath the waves. And just like that, we've got our script. Copy it and paste it into a document for safekeeping. Step 2. Voiceover. Now let's add some life to our script with a killer voiceover. We'll use this awesome tool called Fleeky. Check the link in the description below. Click on New File, select Audio, give your file a catchy name, and hit Submit. Paste your script in there and play around with the settings until you find the perfect voice. Once you're happy, click Download, and boom! You've got yourself a killer voiceover. Step 3. Animated background. Alright, time to jazz up our video with an animated background. You've got options here. You can either pick a background from Canva or get creative and generate your own with Leonardo AI. For now, let's create a vibrant coastal scene with lush underwater plants swaying gently in the ocean currents. The sunlight filters through the crystal clear water, illuminating the colorful coral reefs below. Include a variety of marine vegetation, such as kelp forests, seagrass beds, and swaying algae. Let the sea come to life with an array of aquatic flora, creating a mesmerizing and serene underwater world. Once you've picked your background, let's take it up a notch with Lipix. This tool will bring your background to life with cool animations. Play around with the settings until you're satisfied. But remember, you've got 50 free credits, so use them wisely. Step 4. Character animation. Now it's time to animate our characters. Dive back into Canva and upload your recorded video. Trim it down from 40 seconds to just 5 seconds for a concise introduction. Right-click on the video and select Set Video as Background. Next, choose a title. Select a font that matches our theme, and customize its color. Add effects like curve and outline to enhance visibility. Bring your title to life by selecting Page Animations and then Photo Zoom under the Animations tab. For the background music, click on Elements and browse the audio section to find the perfect tune for your introduction. Once you've chosen, drag it below the video on the timeline. To extend the video's duration, re-upload it onto a new page and adjust the playback speed. Now, add the voiceover you created with Fleeky by dragging it under the video, ensuring it syncs with the visual content. Sequentially introduce each character, aligning them with the script. Get creative, change their colors, add animations, and let them pop. This is your chance to let your creativity shine. Experiment with different animations and effects to bring your characters to life in a way that resonates with your vision. Once you're satisfied with the results, download your animated creation to share your story. Step 5. Editing. Last but not least, let's put it all together. We'll use CapCut for this part. It's super easy to use. Import the animation, add it to the timeline, go to the text menu, choose Auto Captions to generate subtitles, and add dialogue bubbles to make the scene more interesting. Make sure they sync up perfectly with the subtitles. Once you're done, export the video and let's take a look at the finished product.
In the depths of the vast ocean, where mysteries abound and adventures await, there lies a vibrant community of underwater friends.
Well, hello there, friends of the ocean. I'm Sharky, your fantastic host for today's underwater gathering. And guess what? I've got a special guest to introduce to all of you. Meet my brother, Sharko. He's not just a sharp set of teeth. He's got a heart as big as the ocean itself.
Greetings, fellow ocean dwellers. It's a pleasure to be here with you all today.
And here come two of our dearest friends, Ollie the octopus and Dolly the dolphin. They bring laughter and joy wherever they go.
Salutations, everyone. I'm Ollie, the master of camouflage and the king of hide and seek in these waters.
Hi there, folks. I'm Dolly, the dolphin, known for my acrobatic flips and spins. Life under the sea is a splash when you've got friends like these.
And let's not forget the unforgettable moments we share together, exploring the wonders of the ocean.
So here's to friendship, laughter, and endless adventures beneath the waves. Let's make some waves together, shall we?
And there you have it, folks. Your very own masterpiece of a YouTube video. Today, we delved into the enchanting world of sea animals, and I've got to say it was a blast. Whether you're entertaining kids or just exploring your creative side, remember, creating high-quality videos takes time and effort. By following this AI automation process, you can create a faceless YouTube channel that engages viewers, leading to views, which in turn lead to money. Remember, consistency is key. So conduct your own research and experiment with more creative ideas. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe for more AI content. If you want help out of the matrix, AI Era has got your back. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next faceless YouTube sensation. Until next time, keep exploring and keep creating.